Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something insanely powerful. You can now build complete apps, front-end, back-end, UI, everything, just using your phone, thanks to Google's Gemini app. And to prove it, in this video, I'm going to build a fully functional finance management app from scratch, on my phone, in real time. No laptop, no complicated software. Just me, my phone, and Gemini. If you're a student, developer, or someone with ideas but no coding skills, this video is going to change the way you build. Alright, let's start building. First, make sure you have the Gemini app installed on your mobile device. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Now, there are two ways to start building inside Gemini. One, you can tap on the Build an Idea button too. Or you can tap on the Tools icon next to the prompt bar and select Canvas. Both options do the exact same thing. They open the space where Gemini helps you build apps, websites, automations, or anything you imagine. In my case, I'm going to use the Build an Idea option. But again, don't worry. Either one works perfectly. Once you select Build an Idea or Canvas, Gemini will show you a few project suggestions that you can try out. But we're not going to use any of those. Today we're building our own finance management app. So let's type our custom prompt. I've already written the full prompt and I'll be sharing it with you in the description so you can copy and use it easily. Before sending the prompt, make sure you select the Gemini 3 Pro Thinking and Reasoning model. This is the most powerful and accurate model for building apps. Once that's selected, simply hit the send button. That's it. Gemini will start generating the entire app for you.
After you send the prompt, Gemini will start thinking and reasoning based on everything you asked for. You'll actually see it analyzing your request, creating a full project plan, and then generating the complete code for your app, step by step. First, it gives you a project outline so you understand what features it's building. Then it automatically starts writing the front-end code, back-end code, UI components, database structure, and everything your app needs. Once Gemini is done generating the code, you'll see an open button appear. Just tap on it. And Gemini will instantly launch a live preview of the app it created for you. And as you can see, the preview looks incredible. Gemini has generated a beautiful modern landing page with clean styling and a professional layout, all based on the prompt we wrote. You can now explore the entire app on your own. Check the buttons, navigate the pages, test the features, and see how everything works in real time. While exploring, you can also note down any parts you want to improve. Maybe the color theme, the charts, the form layout, or even adding more pages. Whatever changes you need, you can simply ask Gemini, and it will update the app for you automatically. As you can see, our app has now been modified, and you can explore the updated version just like we always do. But here's the best part. If you don't like the modification and want to go back to the previous version, Gemini makes that super easy. At the top, you'll see the undo button. Tap that once, and Gemini will instantly load the earlier version of your app. If you change your mind again, you can tap redo to jump back to the latest modification. Next to that, you also have the full screen option. Then there's the share button. Using this, you can generate a public link and send it to your friends, teammates, or clients. They'll be able to open the link and view your app in real time. Super useful for feedback or collaboration. And finally, if you want to use the code in your own project or manually make changes, just tap the three dots in the top right corner. Here you'll find two important options. View code to see the entire code base, copy code to copy all the code instantly and paste it anywhere you want. This gives you complete freedom to customize, refine, or integrate the app into your own projects however you like. And that's it. We just built a complete finance management app right on our phone, using nothing but the Gemini app. We explored how to write the prompt, generate the project, preview the app, modify it, undo changes, share it, and even copy the full code for your own projects. This is the future of building. No laptop, no heavy software, no coding experience needed. Just your phone and an idea. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what app you want me to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and start building something amazing today.